How to connect Sony Smart TV with laptop. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to easily connect your laptop to your Sony Smart TV. Whether you want to watch movies, show presentations, or just enjoy your content on a big screen, I'll guide you step by step through the best ways to make it happen. Let's get started. Step 1. Using an HDMI cable. The easiest and most reliable way to connect your laptop to your Sony Smart TV is by using an HDMI cable. First, take the cable and plug one end into your laptop's HDMI port. Then, plug the other end into your TV. On your TV remote, press the input or source button and select the HDMI input that matches where you plugged it in the cable. On your laptop, if you're using Windows, press Windows more P and choose how you want to screen the display. You can duplicate, extend, or use only the TV screen. If you're on a Mac, open System Preferences, then go to Displays to adjust your settings. And that's it. You should now see your laptop screen on TV. Step 2. Wireless connection via screen mirroring. If you prefer to connect wirelessly, Sony Smart TVs usually support screen mirroring through Miracast or Wi-Fi Direct. On your TV, go to Settings, find Network or Wi-Fi Direct, and enable screen mirroring. On your Windows laptop, press Windows more key to open the Connect sidebar. Find your Sony TV in the list and click to connect. For Mac users, some newer Sony TVs support Apple AirPlay. If yours does, simply click the AirPlay icon in the menu bar on your Mac and select your TV. This method lets you share your screen without any cables, perfect for quick sharing. And that's it. That was the tutorial on how to connect your laptop to your Sony Smart TV. Now you can enjoy your laptop's content on the big screen with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next time.